What if 50 squats a day could change your body and even your mindset? No gym, no equipment, just 50 squats. It sounds easy, but the benefits are huge. In this video, I'll show you exactly what happens to your body when you make squats a daily habit. So let's go. Number 1. Squats strengthens your bones. When most people think of fitness, they picture huge muscles or a toned physique. But there's something even more important happening beneath the surface. Squats aren't just about looking good. They're a bone-strengthening powerhouse. When you squat, the force travels through your bones, especially in your hips, legs, and spine, and it stimulates bone cells to produce more bone tissue. What does this mean for you? Over time, your bones become denser and stronger, which lowers your risk of fractures and osteoporosis. And trust me, as we get older, bone loss can be a silent killer. So why not fight back with a squat challenge that doesn't require a single dumbbell? You're literally building a stronger, more resilient skeleton just by squatting daily. Sounds like a win-win, right? Number 3 is kind of obvious and can help you in and outside the gym, and it's beneficial in many other sports. But before that, let's talk about number 2, fat loss and cardiovascular boost. Who doesn't want to burn calories while getting stronger? Doing 50 squats a day works large muscle groups, your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core, engaging your entire body. As you perform each squat, your heart rate goes up, and your body starts burning calories to fuel those muscles. This makes squats one of the best calorie-torching exercises around. And here's the fun part. While you're burning calories, you're also improving your cardiovascular health. The more you squat, the faster your heart works, which can help improve circulation, reduce heart disease risk, and even make you feel more energized throughout the day. But here's the kicker. Squats can help you burn fat faster. When you engage your biggest muscle groups, legs and glutes, your body continues to burn calories long after the workout. This is called afterburn, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. Translation: you burn more calories even when you're watching Netflix. Pretty cool, right? Before we go deeper, let's make this a little challenge. If you've made it this far, comment below. I'm starting today, and let's get this squat challenge started. Tag a friend who should join you too. Let's move on to the next one. Remember that I told you how this can be beneficial in many sports and overall daily activities. So, number 3, squats builds muscular endurance. You may not notice it at first, but over time, doing 50 squats every day increases your muscular endurance. This is the ability of your muscles to keep working for long periods without getting tired. When you're able to squat for longer without feeling the burn, you'll notice better performance in other activities, whether it's running, hiking, or even playing with your kids. It's like leveling up your body's ability to perform day-to-day tasks with ease. And let's face it, no one wants to be winded after climbing stairs or chasing after a ball, right? So those 50 squats are silently transforming you into a leaner, more enduring machine. Number 4, joint health and mobility. Now, let's talk joints. You might think squats are tough on your knees, but actually, squats are great for joint health. When you squat, you're lubricating your knee and hip joints by distributing synovial fluid. Think of it like giving your joints a spa treatment every time you squat. This fluid reduces friction in the joints, which helps keep the cartilage healthy and prevents wear and tear. The result? You're reducing the risk of conditions like arthritis and improving your range of motion. Here's a fun fact. Regular squat practice has been shown to increase joint flexibility, making those tight movements much easier. So, instead of creaking like an old door when you try to bend down, you'll be moving smoother and more efficiently. Bonus points. Better flexibility equals fewer injuries. You can thank those 50 squats for that. The next one may be a surprise for you, but squats can also help you improve in this. So many people maybe forget about that or don't know about it. But here's the deal. Number 5. Squats strengthens the core. Now, I know what you're thinking. Squats are for my legs, right? Well, surprise. They're also an incredible way to strengthen your core. Every time you squat, your core muscles, the abs, lower back, and pelvis, engage to keep you balanced and stable. These muscles are constantly working to protect your spine and prevent you from tipping over or arching your back. Over time, this means you're getting a stronger, more stable core, which is essential for maintaining good posture and preventing lower back pain. Plus, a strong core helps you with every other exercise you do. It's like having a secret weapon that improves your performance, both in and outside the gym. Number 6. Boosts hormonal balance. Here's a juicy tidbit. When you do squats, you're activating multiple muscle groups all at once. This sends a signal to your body to release growth hormones like testosterone and human growth hormone, HGH, both of which are critical for muscle growth and recovery. So, if you're looking to build muscle, burn fat, or even boost your mood, squats are a fantastic way to get those hormones flowing naturally. It's like a natural energy shot without the caffeine crash. This hormonal boost makes squats one of the most effective and efficient exercises for building strength and improving overall well-being. Number 7 is the one that we've all been waiting to hear. And here is it. Squats. Increased muscle mass. Let's get serious for a moment. Squats are a game changer for muscle growth. While doing 50 squats daily might not make you look like a bodybuilder overnight, it will definitely help you build and tone your glutes, thighs, and legs. Each time you squat, you're creating tiny muscle tears that, when repaired, lead to muscle growth and strengthening. And here's the kicker. Squats are a compound exercise, meaning they target multiple muscle groups at once. That means you're not just working your legs, your core, lower back, and even your upper body get in on the action. Over time, this leads to a more balanced and muscular physique. And let's be honest, who doesn't love that post-squat leg pump? Number 8. Improved flexibility. Squats also help improve your flexibility, particularly in your hips, knees, and ankles. As you squat deeper, the muscles and joints around these areas stretch and move through a greater range of motion. Regular squatting helps maintain flexibility, which becomes increasingly important as we age. Better flexibility means better mobility, which translates to a lower risk of falls and injuries as you get older. You'll notice that after consistent squatting, you'll move with greater ease, whether you're bending down to pick up something or performing other exercises. Number 9 is a real game changer, but it's ignored by many. That's why it's very important to know that squats gives you mental health boost. Now, let's wrap it up with a benefit that might surprise you. Mental health. Squats can actually have a positive impact on your mood. The act of exercising releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that make you feel happy and energized. This is particularly beneficial if you struggle with stress, anxiety, or depression. When you push through that last rep of 50 squats, you're not only boosting your physical health, but also giving your mind a major lift. A simple squat workout can leave you feeling mentally sharp, relaxed, and ready to tackle the day. So, next time you're stressed, put on your workout gear and hit those squats. That's it, guys. 9 powerful benefits of 50 squats a day that can change your game and gains forever. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share to Chicken Leg Friend. And for even bigger gains, check the video on the screen. And I'll catch you there.